This is OTC TV. I'm Ed Highland. We are wrapping up a record-breaking OTC here in Houston. More than 100,000 people made their way through the exhibition, doing business, making connections, and learning new things. We had a chance to catch up with attendees to find out what takeaways they'll be taking home.
The new regulations for hook release mechanisms on lifeboats has generated an inquiry from a lot of ship owners for replacement of hooks in lifeboats. So you've got a lifeboat 25, 30 years old. For it now to comply to the new regulations, we have to install a new hook.
I saw that many companies actually had many different divisions that when we thought. Originally we thought that some companies had very small amount of products, and actually coming here tell us the amount of diversity of products that they offer.
You know, just seeing the variety of different vendors that are helping me solve the problems that I've got, you know, in doing the technical sales of my gas turbine that I represent. So yeah, I mean, it's a learning experience for me, just walking around and seeing what the options are.
Technology takes leaps and bounds, you know, and so you pretty much have to see it to believe it.
The main thing for me is to see how big the industry is, all the companies. It's really surreal to be out of the classroom and see, you know, what you'll actually do when you get in the industry, and kind of see the passion behind what people do. And so that's what's been really reassuring for me.
Safety management systems were the focus of this topical breakfast that brought together recent efforts by the U.S. Coast Guard and the Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement. Rear Admiral Joe Servito praised the industry cooperation, but warned ongoing gaps in safety management must be addressed.
We are a regulator, and we will use those regulatory tools, compliance enforcement, as we need. What I'm seeing with COS and other entities are they're looking to share lessons learned, and from an industry standpoint address some of these, so maybe the regulators don't need to take those compliance enforcement steps.
Papers presented during this technical session address the unique challenges to operators of floating production units. There is an industry average of 3 to 4 mooring line failures every year, and results of field recovered mooring equipment point to an ongoing issue.
The industry is already picking up on a lot of what's happening in terms of mooring integrity, but as I said, I think it's something we still need to keep our eye on, and we'll also keep our eye on for design, for mooring system design.
OTC is providing universities the opportunity to share their current R&D projects relevant to offshore technology in the R&D Showcase.
So we came because we do a lot of research in security. And now, since everybody's putting all their equipment on the internet and wireless is starting to become so prevalent, we've been working in this sphere for about 20 years for our other customers, so we thought that people in this industry would be very interested to know from our know-how about good ways to secure their networks.
OTC is always a learning experience on so many levels, and all of us are taking back valuable information in the E&P industry. For all of us at OTC TV, I'm Ed Highland. Thanks for watching.